Most men miss it. She's dropping hints, sending signals, and silently testing if you'll pick up on them. Women rarely come out and say, "I want you." Instead, they reveal attraction in subtle, almost secret ways. If you know how to read these signals, you'll never be confused again about whether she's just being nice or if she's genuinely sexually attracted to you. Signal number 1, the touch that lingers. When a woman is sexually attracted, her body almost betrays her. A quick touch on your arm is casual, but if her hand lingers, if she playfully taps, brushes, or even finds excuses to touch you, that's not an accident. Touch is one of the strongest indicators of sexual interest. Signal number 2, the intense eye contact shift. Normal eye contact happens when you're talking, but when she looks into your eyes, then suddenly drops her gaze to your lips, back up, then down again, that's primal attraction speaking. It's her body signaling, "I'm thinking about what it would be like to kiss you." Signal number 3, the flirty barriers breaking. When a woman is just a friend, she keeps physical and emotional boundaries. But when attraction takes over, those walls drop. She shares secrets she wouldn't tell others. She laughs harder at your jokes. And she teases you in a way that feels more playful than friendly. This is her subconscious way of saying, "I feel safe with you, and I want more." Now you know the 3 unmistakable signals of sexual attraction: lingering touch, lip-focused eye contact, and breaking barriers. If you start seeing these signs, chances are she's not just interested. She's imagining something deeper. Watch carefully, because the difference between friendship and desire is often hidden in these subtle moves. Want me to break down the biggest mistakes men make when she's attracted to them? Hit subscribe, and I'll reveal those in the next video.